On July 30th, the Federal Reserve held rates steady. Hi, this is Andy Nathan with Creative Smart Contractors. On July 30th, 2025, the Federal Reserve left the benchmark rate unchanged between 4.25% to 4.50%, delaying potential rate cuts until September at the earliest Fed chair. Powell emphasized inflation remains above target and economic data is mixed, despite pressure from former President Trump to cut rates immediately. Two governors dissented in favor of a cut, a rare split that signals internal debate over economic risks. Mortgage rates track the 10-year Treasury yield, not the Fed's rate. That means 30-year fixed rates remain elevated around 6.6% to 6.8%. Even while the Fed holds steady, most homeowners are locked in at rates below 6%, making moves unattractive until rates dip under 5%. In Chicago, affordability remains strained. Monthly payments stay high, inventory stays tight, and many buyers stay on the sidelines. Sellers are reluctant to trade current rates for higher ones. The so-called lock-in effect continues to suppress supply. With no rate cut imminent, private residential and commercial projects are slowing. Developers find financing less accessible, requiring more equity and rethinking timelines. Some sectors, like public infrastructure, data centers, and manufacturing, remain active due to stable funding sources. Contractors are leaning on tight pre-construction planning, portfolio diversification, and phased delivery to keep projects viable. Here are some key takeaways. First, mortgage rates should hold around the 6.7%. Note, we are not mortgage brokers. Second, the affordability is still limited, especially locally. With private projects slowing, look for public work to increase steadily. Third, the Fed is maintaining a cautious stance for now. Borrowers and developers in Chicago should plan with flexibility and capital preparedness. A meaningful shift in mortgage costs may not come until late 2025, only if inflation and labor conditions soften. Sources for this post include, but are not limited to, Washington Post, Rentastic.io, Business Insider Barron's, Raymond James, AP News, Yahoo Finance, The Times of India, The Australian, The Guardian, Reuters, Bankrate, CoStar, Fox Business, Construction Dive. This video is for educational purposes only.